Okay, in this class we will learn how to specify index for a series. We have already seen that the default index for series is 0, 1, 2, but apart from that we can also provide another index. So the syntax will be, first we have to import, and then I am writing DA equal to 30, 40, 60. I have made a list to give the data, and LI again a list which will be my index. So PD dot S1 equal PD dot series, and then data part will be DA followed by default followed by index. Now this will replace the default index. So index equal LI. Okay. Now what this complete 4-line syntax will do, it will create a series with indexes as A, B, C. Now you can see that the default index 0, 1, 2 is replaced. Now we are having an index which is A, B, C, and the corresponding values will be 30, 40, 60. Okay, hope I am clear that A, B, C has become the index, new index. The previous default index was 0, 1, 2. But now by writing or providing a index, we can also pass a list over here only, but I have shown you in a different line that we can create a list and then pass it as index. So now the index will be ABC, and this one has become the value and this one has become the index. Okay. So this is how it will be, that we can remove the default index and provide a index as per our need.